Welcome to Amaze. Today we're diving into jaw-dropping moments caught on camera. From terrifying close calls to hilarious surprises, get ready for a wild ride of emotions you won't see coming. A series of unfortunate events.
Huh?
Oh, it seems I went overboard. No one can afford to lose to the other.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
I said move. Where the hell am I, paw? Bro's drafting.
Kenny thought he saw a bear last night.
I really thought it was a bear for a second. Perfect timing. Me trying to deal with my problems. Who's scared? Who?
¡A la verga! Casi se me caen mis pinches chetos, güey. Casi se me caen.
What breed dog is that? She was so polite with it.
I'm okay. I'm fine. Quinchana. Quinchana. Ding, 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 ding.
Extreme close-up tomato. God knows something that family doesn't know.
Так иду, смотрю вперед. Фух, еще.
Oh my god.
Близко было. О, вот это да.
It's tearing something apart right now. Big power flashes. Poles are coming down.
They're both equally stubborn. Task failed successfully.
Oh, shit.
That cow just accidentally knocked over its buddy, totally unintentional but hilarious. How did he get up there?
Huh?
He did without the video. Insane. Lost GPS for a few seconds. Oh, that was way too close. What a crazy near miss. I'm your Uber driver here to pick you up. Aladdin of Thailand.
No, go away.
It was the alligator's first day. Hey bro, I just want to grab a drink with you.
You guys want to know what lives in my dead cat?
His face,